The way that I shape is I'll put my left hand on the rim with my thumb, and then with my fingers I just touch the back of my right hand, and then as it spins I just push out gently. I start usually from the top and go down to the bottom. And it's very gentle, it's not like very intense. Two things people have trouble with when they're shaping. The first thing that they'll have trouble with is that they're either perpendicular to the wall, and so their shaping thing will chatter and it will go so they need to move it so that it goes with the spin, not against or on top of the spin. And the second thing people have trouble with is that they don't connect their hand to their body, and they'll just be like shaping like this, and so their hand moves with their vessel instead of anchoring